Good day everyone, and welcome back to Great Lifestyle and Farming. So I just wanted to go through a situation that's occurred to me. I was in the garden trimming away, and we have a nice dwarf decorative tree in the garden. By accident, I was trimming a bit too close. The trimming line has hit one of the decorative bricks on the side. It's moved towards the tree and it's completely ring barked it. It's about an inch of the bark that it stripped off. The bark has an essential part of the growth of the tree. There's a thin layer on the inside of the bark called the cambium layer, and that's sole responsibility for generative healing qualities of the timber, and it also supplies all the sugars and all the nutrients up to the tree, and obviously from the sun through the leaves down into the roots. By stripping that off, if I hadn't have repaired it, the tree would have died. So what I did is to repair that. I have a bit like a transplant to a human. There's certain criteria that needs to match to make sure that the person doesn't reject that part. And in a similar fashion with a tree, you want to try to make the criteria match as good as possible to make sure that it's a good quality repair and it's taken by the tree and it continues to grow. What I did is I trimmed a few of the branches off the top, more of the bigger stemmed ones. Taken from the base of it up, I've taken about an inch. I've then circled it round and sliced down, and then I've unrolled that bark very carefully, and then I've patched up the ring barking at the bottom. And I've done that multiple times so that I can go right round the circumference of that tree to completely patch it all the way around. You use the wax and everything else, and then you also put your binding tape round to secure it. It does stretch, so if it's got a bit of give in there, but you tape it all up, pushing it all against the tree. Hopefully that will repair itself and that cambium layer will restore. It will continue taking the nutrients up from the roots up to the main part of the tree, and obviously in a similar fashion going down. Here's a couple of pictures of the repair that I did. It's gone through the winter and it's coming into the spring and everything else, and spring's kicked in and it's still saved the tree. We've got a good flourishing of the tree leaves, so I think we've saved it. I just wanted to run through that. That's how I repaired the tree. So if you ever ring bark a tree, there's a good way to repair it. You want to do it quite quickly after you've done it to maintain the health of the tree. Hopefully you won't be in the situation where you have to do that. If you like videos, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, or come and join us on Facebook on Great Lifestyle and Farming. Thanks very much everyone. You take care. Ciao.